All right, so Autumn and I decided to we're gonna decide to make a dance video just to show you guys. I know I put the PowerPoints under dance, but this is the We Will Rock You dance. Show your parents, dance with your kids. Either way, so you usually need a hula hoop for this. I like to teach the clock, second graders about how to tell time, and first graders a little bit, just to try to do my best what I can with PE. But either way, so when you look at the PowerPoint, that clock, that hula hoop with the numbers around it represents a clock. The outside number represents when we do turning. That's what your outside foot should look like. Anyhow, before we do the actual dance, just a suggestion: if you don't have a hula hoop, Autumn actually found one in her garage, so she has one, but I don't. Chalk can work. If you have a rope, it can work. Imaginary circle in your head could work. So I'm gonna draw a quick circle. So I'll just do a little circle right here.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
I was even going to use a resistant band. So anyway, just get creative, make a circle. The chalk is already on the ground, got our little circle. So if you look at the PowerPoint, it's got those numbers around it, and I use that as like a clock for second graders. So trying to tell time, trying to reinforce other content. But either way, so the first two beats are always going to be on the inside, and then the third beat's always going to be on the outside. So for singles, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. You're staying on one side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we do it 8 times. So in the video, sometimes I'll say, like on when I'm doing 7, for the 8th one, I'll say next time, and I'll say either across, I'll say turning, or I'll say singles. Across looks like this. And notice that we're taking a second to pause and balance on the outside. And then last is turning. And so turning, if you look at the PowerPoint, it's got numbers on the outside. It's got 12, 3, 6, and 9. And that's going to be your outside foot. Inside foot's going to be your inside numbers. So if I'm starting at 9 o'clock, the first beat's going to be 10, 11, 12 on the outside. I should be on top of the clock. 1, 2, 3 on the other side. 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. 7, 8, 9, and I'm back in a circle. You do that 8 times, that 3 count beat 8 times, that's 2 times around. So watch the video, practice, have some fun, refer to the PowerPoint if needed. And then the song is in there too.